Hello students, subscribe the Fundamental Pharmacy and press the bell icon for more videos.
Hello my dear students, welcome to the Fundamental Pharmacy. Today I am going to show you how to apply for GPAT exam. So this is your official website of National Testing Agency. So you have to visit this website and you have to go in this page. Okay. After going this, you have to click on this. So new window will open and this is the new window. After that you have to click on GPAT registration 2023. So you have to click OK. Now so only registered candidates sign in. New registration. You have to click on a new registration. Just see whether graduate pharmacy aptitude test 2023 on this window. Then click on new registration. So new registration form will appear over here. So you have to go down. You have to click over here and you have to click for proceed. You have to enter your name over here. So I will enter my name. This name should be exactly like this. Whatever name you have to enter over here should be exactly like your 10th mark sheet. Whatever name that has been mentioned over the mark sheet of your 10th class, so the name should be exactly like that. Okay. If you enter wrong number, wrong name, then you have to correct it in a correction window. Okay. You have to enter your mother's name now. You have to enter your date of birth. You have to enter your gender, whatever it may be. You have to enter your voter ID number. TUT 6486. You have to fill up this all the information, whatever information is there. So you have to fill up the address. You have to fill up the full address. You have to fill up if your address is same as the current address, then you have to click over here and you have to choose a password and you have to put up your security question and you have to answer. You have to remember that password and security answer. So my dear friends, I have filled all the information for registration for graduate GPAT, graduate pharmacy aptitude test. So I have filled my all the required information. So I have filled my personal information, voter ID number, that is identification. Then I have filled my address also, and then password, security question, and all this. Then submit. Yes, please review the following information carefully. I have filled this information. You have to review it quickly, and after that you have to fill this information carefully. You have to read once so that you can confirm whatever information you have filled that is correct or not. Then you have to click on these things, and you have to click on agree, and then submit and send OTP. Yes, OTP will be there on your number. If you are not getting the OTP, you have to click resend OTP. Yes, I got the OTP and I will enter it, and you have to submit the registration form. Now my registration form is completed, right? My registration form is completed. Now I will have to fill the application form. Now I will click on complete application form. So you have to enter now all your personal detail. So click on a personal detail. I will click on it. I will have to enter all this personal detail. Now I will fill all my personal details over here and see the next points. So friends, I have filled all the information, my personal details and all that. So I have filled it and I have reviewed it once again, and then I have to enter the pin, security pin, and save and next. Yes. Now they are asking Aadhaar details. You have to click yes, yes, submit. Okay. Now I got this. Yes, and you have to enter your Aadhaar number over here. So I will enter my Aadhaar number over here. So friends, I have filled my this details of Aadhaar card, and this application number, name of candidate. You have to click on this first, that you are agreed to share your personal information, whatever is on Aadhaar card, with the NTA. You have to click on this. Then you have to enter your Aadhaar number and you have to click this confirmation or declaration. You have to click on this declaration. You have to enter the security pin and submit and next. Submit and next. Okay. Then you will get another detail, that is apply for GPAT exam centers. Okay. So now apply for exam centers. So first exam center you have to select state. You have to select whatever state you belongs to. I am belongs to Maharashtra, so I am selecting Maharashtra. Again you have to select here. So whatever the city So I am selecting my city Aurangabad. In Maharashtra, select the city, second city, Maharashtra. Now I have filled this all information. I have given the city of choice and all that. So I have mentioned over here my city of choice Aurangabad, Maharashtra, second city of choice, third city of choice, and fourth city of choice. So you have to fill the required information, father's occupation, literacy, and all that, mother's occupation, literacy, and all that. Then you have to enter the security pin, and then you have to save and next. Yes, obviously save and next. So next step is nothing but the qualification details. So you have to fill all the qualification details. Okay, so like okay, all this detail, past status, yes, okay, then all that I will fill this, and then I will go to the next step. So this next was a qualification. So I have filled my 10th exam results, then 12th exam results. You have to fill up carefully. Then I have also filled my B.Pharm results. So B.Pharm board and all that. So then after that you have to enter the security pin, save and next. Save and next. Okay. Then after that you have to update your photographs, signature and all that. Photograph, signature and all that. Photograph, signature and all that. I will update it. My dear friends, I have uploaded all the documents over here. Documents like uh, your photo, then your image. Photo and image should be in a proper size. उसका size proper होना चाहिए. And then you have to update if they are asking any. If you are handicapped, they will ask you handicap certificate. If you belongs to category, they will ask you the reservation, etc., etc. And after that you have to enter the security code and you have to submit. Okay, they are asking that you have to review the information. Okay, they means they are asking if you want to review the your information, you can review from the left side of your left bar. So you have to take the screenshot of this application, because application number should be with you. Application number and your password आपको याद ही रखना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो बाद में क्या होता है कि जब हॉल टिकट आता है तो बहुत सारे बच्चे उनका एप्लीकेशन आईडी भूल जाते हैं या फिर पासवर्ड भूल जाते हैं। तो एप्लीकेशन आईडी और पासवर्ड आपको एक साइड में लिखना है किसी नोट पे, और वही एसएमएस आपको एक दो दोस्तों को आपको भेजना है, या फिर वही आईडी पासवर्ड आप आपके मेल के ऊपर जाके सेव कर सकते हो। तो इससे फायदा ये हो जाएगा कि जब आप हॉल टिकट के लिए डाउनलोड करने के लिए जाओगे तो आपका एप्लीकेशन आईडी पासवर्ड नहीं मिलता। तो एक दो आपके जो भी फ्रेंड्स हैं उनको अगर आपने एसएमएस करके रखा है तो वो सेव रहेगा, या फिर व्हाट्सएप करके रखा है तो वो सेव रहेगा, या फिर आपने कुछ ईमेल पे लिख के रखा है तो वो सेव हो रहेगा। सो एप्लीकेशन आईडी एंड पासवर्ड इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव टू सेव इट बाय एनी मीन्स. You can send a text message to your friends. You can also save, or you can take a screenshot and all that. That is very very important. Okay, so ये आपने जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन लिखा है यहाँ पे, so वो सब करेक्ट है या नहीं है वो उन्होंने बोला है. You have to review that whether information is correct or not. Okay, then if everything is okay, then you have to click on this checklist. So click on this checklist. All this checklist you have to click. Whatever documents you are uploaded, that is correct. Then you have to agree this declaration, and then final submission of application you have to click. Then this is your final submission of application. Okay, then registration form completed, application form completed, then payment incomplete. So you have to apply for payment. And what is the fees? Fees is nothing but the 1100. 1100 रुपए का फीस है यहाँ पे आपको, तो आपको वहाँ पे वो पे करना पड़ेगा. ईमेल वेरिफिकेशन करना इंपॉर्टेंट है. ईमेल वेरीफाई करो. आपके ईमेल पे यहाँ पे ओटीपी आया होगा तो आपको चेक करना है. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस रजिस्ट्रेशन फॉर्म एंड एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म, you have to verify your email ID, and for verification I think server problem is there. Once you verify your email ID, then you have to proceed for payment, and payment is nothing but the 1100 rupees for general category. That's how you can apply GPAT 2023. I hope this video is useful for you. and please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more updates.
Hello students, order the magic bullet for GPAT Niper Drug Inspector, read twice and qualify 100%.